Okay, we're on the second to last lesson here. You have your bottom is white, you have your bottom two rows are all the right colors, everything matches up. You have your top is yellow with the yellow cross. You have some corners here that do not match up exactly, but all of the centers are matched up correctly. So we'll look and we'll see that we have blue, red, yellow, green, orange, yellow, so this is wrong. We have yellow, orange, green, green, red, yellow, wrong. Here we have green, red, yellow, red, blue, yellow, that's wrong. Here we have yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue, orange. This is correct. It's in the right location, but the wrong rotation. So this is a scenario that you may run into. Here's how you get out of it. You take that one piece and you put it, so if you're looking at your top, it's in the lower right hand corner. If you look at the front face, which in this case it'll be orange, it's in the upper right hand corner. That's exactly where you want this piece to be. What you do then is, remember this is orange and it's going to stay in your middle. You then take the top, here's your piece that's in the right location, wrong rotation. You move the top from right to left, you move the right side up, you move the top from left to right, you move the left side up. You move the top from right to left, you move the right side down, you move the top from left to right, you move the left side down. Now we have our white square again on the bottom, all the rows are all matched up. Now we look around and we see yellow, green, red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow, red. All of these corners are matched up the right location, the wrong rotation. So this is where you want to be. If that one turn that you did not get you there, do it one more time. You can usually get there in 1 or 2 turns. Now we have one more step to do, and I'll show you that on the next lesson.